Welcome to this second part of blog project. You can delete columns because there is no need for created by and updated by column because we already have a column user ID. So drop these two columns. Open database, create a new table, comment, post ID, user ID, comment ID and comment. So CMD ID 11, auto increment, primary key, comment, text, user ID 11, post ID created at timestamp, current timestamp, and save the table. So table created successfully. Like table, post ID, user ID. So user ID and post ID 11. Save the table. The name like is a MySQL reserved keyword, so you can change into likes. So save the table. Blog database, comment table, likes table, post table, user table. Structure, relational view. You can make relationship between user and post table with user ID. So relational view, user ID FK, cascade, user ID, column name for foreign key, test SQL database, blog, and table name user, and primary key is user ID. So make the relation, open likes table, go to structure, user like foreign key, cascade, user ID, blog database, user and user ID. So foreign key created successfully. You can add post FK, post like, foreign key, cascade, post ID, blog, post and post ID. Save it. Open comment table. Go to structure, relational view, user, CMD, ID foreign key, column name, user ID, database blog, table user. Save the foreign key, add another one, post, CMD ID, FK, cascade, post ID is the foreign key, blog, post, and post ID is the primary key. Make the relation, select database, go to designer and look at here, relational database created successfully. You can arrange in the following order: post ID is the primary key. In likes table, post ID is the foreign key, user ID is the foreign key, user ID in comment, foreign key, post ID foreign key, user ID is the primary key. Insert data into user table. Insert name Fahim Irfan, username Fahim, password ABC, MD5. You can apply encryption, email abc@gmail.com, profile pic abc.png, city Multan, created by itself, updated by itself. Insert, record inserted successfully. And look at here, password in this form. Create a post, insert data into post table, then comment, and then in likes. Refresh the XAMPP server. Post, insert, user ID. Look at here, the advantage of foreign key relationship. post ID automatically because it is primary key. Auto increment. This is my first post. Post inserted successfully. Post ID 1, user ID 1, and automatically date inserted. Comment or go to likes. I want to like this post. Post ID 1 and user ID also 1. So like, record inserted. Go to comment, insert section. This is good post. User ID 1 and this is my first post. This comment is created by this user Fahim Irfan on post. This is my first post with ID 1 and current timestamp. Automatically insert current time and date, and look at here. I want to show you a magic. User, look at user table, post table, likes table and comment table. If I want to delete this user, all the record related to this user in post table, likes table and comment table will be deleted. So delete the record and go to post table. Post table is empty. Also likes table is empty. Comment table is also empty. So this is the advantage of cascade relation. You can create restrict relation, but in cascade relation, if parent record deleted, then child record will automatically deleted. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.